So now we will discuss example number 11.7. The flow of blood in a large artery of an anesthetized dog is delivered through a venturimeter. So it is a large artery. It is anesthetized operation is done of dog. So it is, so for example, we consider an artery like here. An artery is like here. So this narrow shape is, it is decreases an artery due to the accumulation of plaque. Okay, so it is connected with a U-shaped tube like a venturi meter. Okay, U-shaped tube. So the blood is flowing like here. Okay, the blood is moving like here. Okay, so this is cross sectional area A. This is cross sectional area capital A. So this is P2. So this is P1. So we consider this is P1, this is P2. Okay, P1, the pressure in narrow shaped, so it is P1, and broad shaped, it is P2 pressure. Okay, so what is given here? So here, so it is consist and liquid. So like here, the blood is moving here, so like a manometer. Okay, so the area is given, broader area that is A equals to 8 millimeter square, and constricted area A equals to 4 millimeter square, and change in pressure. Okay, the pressure drop in artery, so P1 minus P2 equals to, pressure is a pressure drop in artery is 24 pascals. Okay, what is the velocity of the blood in artery? So what is the velocity? We can find out the velocity. So from venturimeter equation, so the velocity V1 equals to square root of, the equation is square root of 2 into P1 minus P2 divided by rho into capital A by small a whole square minus 1. So this is the equation for the finding the velocity. Okay, here blood density of blood is 1.06 into 10 to the power of 3 kilogram per meter cube. We can substitute here V1 equals to, okay, V1 equals to square root of 2 into PA equals to, so that is P1 minus P2 equals to 24 divided by rho equals to 1.06 into 10 to the power of 3 into A, capital A equals to 8 by 4 whole square minus 1. Okay, that equals to square root of 48 by 1.06 into 10 to the power of 3 is nothing but 1060 into here 8 by 4 equals to 2, 2 square equals to 4, 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So this value will be, we can calculate with using of calculator. So V1 equals to 0.125 meter per second. So this is the velocity of blood in artery. Okay, we can discuss another example. Example number 11.8. A fully loaded Boeing aircraft has a mass of 3.3 into 10 to the power of 5 kilograms. So the Boeing aircraft, his mass is given, total mass, that is 3.3 into 10 to the power of 5 kilograms. Its total wing area, so area is given, area equals to 500 meter square. Wing area is 500 meter square. It is level flight with a speed of 960 km per hour. So this is average speed. The average speed is V average equals to, that is V1 plus V2 by 2. Okay, it is level flight. So with average speed is 960 km per hour. Okay, so it is converted to meter per second. 960 into 5 by 18, that equals to 267. Okay, nearly 267 meter per second. So then estimate pressure difference between the lower and upper surface of the wings. Okay, first one, so we can apply the Bernoulli's principle in this equation. So Bernoulli's equation is P1 plus half, so this is P1, so for estimate pressure difference between the lower and upper surfaces of the wing. So here the pressure difference we can take delta P equals to force by area. We can directly write pressure difference delta P equals to force, the upward force by area. So force is nothing but its gravitational force mg by area. That is delta P equals to, okay, delta P equals to mass 3.3 into 10 power 5, gravitation, acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 by area is 500 meters square. So delta P value is, it is calculated with calculator, 6.5 into 10 power 3 Newton per meter square. So this is delta P value, 10 power 3, so 6.5 into 10 to the power of 3 Newton per meter square. So again we can find out second one. Second, that is B, estimate the fractional increasing in the speed of air on the upper surface of the wing relative to the lower surface. Okay, fractional increasing in speed. So fractional increasing means V2 minus V1 by average speed. So we can find out here, the rho is given, density of air is 1.2 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, the fractional increase in speed, increasing in the speed is equals to V2 minus V1 by V average. We can find out this. Okay, so from Bernoulli's equation, P1 plus half rho V1 square equals to P2 plus half rho V2 square. We know that. So here H1 equals to, it is horizontal. It's already given. It is horizontal. The Boeing level flight, H1 equals to H2. I cancel the gravitational potential energy. So here P1 minus P2 equals to half rho into V2 square minus V1 square. Okay, this is delta P equals to rho by 2 into, so this is like A plus B into A minus B. So V2 plus V1 into V2 minus V1. Okay, so V2 plus V1 by 2 equals to, so this is V2 plus V1 by 2 equals to average. We can denote delta P equals to, so it is rho into V average, V2 minus V1. Okay, that equals to V2 minus V1 equals to delta P divided by rho into V average. So we want to V2 minus V1 by V average. So then, so it is divides with V average both sides, V2 minus V1 by V average equals to delta P by rho into V average whole square. Okay, both sides V average, we can divide with both sides. Okay, that equals to delta P equals to how much? 6.5 into 10 to the power of 3 divide rho equals to 1.2 into V average. So what is the V average value is 267 whole square. Okay, this approximately equals to, so here this equals to 0.08. okay, 0.08, this value is 0.08. the speed of air above the wing needs to only, so this is nothing but equals to 8%. okay, into 100 equals to 8% higher than the below. Okay, the velocity, the pressure or velocity above the wing is 8% more than below the wing.